Hi, this is Christa at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to our big Hawaii Five-0 Level Up Extravaganza. Super excited. I just wanted to pop in super quick to share with you the exciting news. We did have a Level Up party at The Secret Yarnery. So in order to help celebrate that, Ice Yarns has given us a 5% discount coupon for 5 days. So that is valid from Wednesday, October 7th until Sunday, October 11. The gist of it is 5% off every single normal priced yarn. So clearance yarns are not going to be part of the discount. So if you have a whole bunch of clearance yarn, then the coupon code will not be working for that. It's only for like normal priced yarns, and it is 5% off absolutely everything for 5 days. Well, 4 days left. My bad, sorry. So super excited about that. If you have not shopped at Ice Yarns before, I'll also give you some favorite yarns that you can try if you're like, I don't know what to order. I'll put all those up also in the description box below. I'll link every single one of them. Plus, I'll also match up some yarns if you have some variegated yarns or some cakes, what the solid yarn would be that went with that. So I will put all of that in the description box below, as well as the coupon code. Oh, who is so excited? If you are really good at writing things down, that is the coupon code TSY05. And again, that is for full price, regular price yarns, not clearance. Anything on sale, you're like, it will not take a further 5% off whatever's on clearance. Clearance is dirt cheap, like 25 cents, 30 cents. So like, yeah, no, it will not make it won't take 5% off of all those clearance yarns, but everything regular price, it will. The entire store, which is like, I think it's 7,000 different yarns right now. So some good ones for you to try. I'll put them up on the screen. How about that? Okay. So my favorite, Softly Baby, we all know that. Love Softly Baby, can't go wrong. Stock it up, get it in every color that you love. It's an amazing yarn. So Softly Baby, favorite and Savor, those are my go-to acrylics. Any of those, I even mix and match. Whatever has a good color, I will use it with the other. I'm not that fussy about it. If you're fussy about it, Favorite and Softly Baby are the same yarn. Well, not the same yarn. They have different fiber content, but they're the same width and diameter of a yarn. So you can use them together. Softly Baby is softer, and Favorite is maybe a bit fuzzier, but they're the same weight and length per cake. So you can kind of use those together if you're in a pinch. Baby Cotton 100G, that is a great yarn to use for anything baby. It is absolutely wonderful. Giza cotton, it's so nice. So that comes in a bunch of colors. That's also linked down below, as well as Alara. Alara is 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. Maybe it's 45-55. It's somewhere around there. That is my go-to DK mixed weight yarn. I love it. It's squishy. It does not split. It is like split proof, and the colors are amazing. So I definitely stock Alara on those shelves 100% of the time. If you're looking for some shine, some sparkle, some holiday glitz, Eyelash Dazzle for sure. I keep that in every color that I can. I have a bunch of it coming in different colors. It is great. It is so soft. It looks like it should be scratchy. It is literally so soft. So that is a crazy good yarn. I love it, and it makes anything fancy. So that's a good one to keep if you're into, like, you know, the gauche glitter sparkle like I am. Another one, Rockabilly. Rockabilly is amazing. It has brighter colors than Rockstar, so it's like a brighter, happier yarn, but the same kind of deal, some shine, some softness, and some fuzz. It is delicious. It's kind of a bit metallic-y, and that comes in a bunch of super happy colors too, so I'm right into that. And if you want to do some sort of like variegated yarns, definitely check out Rainbow. Rainbow is very similar to Lion Brand Landscapes or Red Heart Unforgettable, except it's cheaper. So those all are good ones to check out. Plus the good old Picasso. Who doesn't love Picasso? Picasso is where? Oh, I didn't put Picasso out. Picasso's folded up right there. Picasso is great. It is so soft. So that is a great yarn for anything fancy. Fancy or wonderful or delicious. It's a really good yarn, just trust me. So those are all good ones to have on hand. If you are doing that Sheep G's CAL, Hope I said that right. If you are doing that CAL, the yarn that goes with that is called Denim. I have a bunch of that on my shelf too. So like such a great yarn. It's a bit stonewashed, exactly like the one you're supposed to buy, except again, cheaper. So I'll link that down below also. And 5% off, I mean, that really helps. Now I'm gonna tell you some yarns that are also good, but I'll also tell you what you can match them up with, like a bunch of cakes. Starting with Magic Glitz. Love Magic Glitz, always have. Magic Glitz, Magic Light, and Cakes Glitz all go together. They're all the same yarn. Magic Light does not have glitz. The cake has a longer color change, and Magic Glitz has a shorter color change. So all of those can be mixed together to do whatever project you want. They all go together. So I'll put those together in the description box below. So if you get confused, I'm just gonna have it down there, and that all kind of goes together. If you want a solid color yarn to go with the Magic Glitz, that also goes with Super Baby. Another great one, Cakes Baby Fine. That is amazing for everything baby or anything that you want a DK weight cake for. It is really, really great. It's very, very soft. So Cakes Baby Fine, Cakes DK. Cakes Baby Fine is a little bit softer, and Cakes DK has brighter colors, basically. Whichever one you like is totally great. I have a bunch of both on my shelves. They're wonderful to work with. And what solid yarn goes with that is, again, Super Baby. So I keep a lot of Super Baby around just because it goes with all of these cakes for any kind of border and anything to kind of make it like pull everything together. It comes in a ton of colors. So you can actually pick a color from your cake for your border and order it kind of all at the same time. So that's all in the description box below as well. So those are the yarns that I am stocking up on and keep stocked up on and have ordered a bit more of. So if you have a favorite yarn that you think we should also try, let us know in the comments down below, because we are all about trying a new yarn, especially with a coupon code. So this coupon code will go definitely all the way through Saturday. And if you're in the US or the other side of the world, I would definitely try to order before like Sunday morning. Like Sunday morning I would assume would be the cutoff because of the time difference. I'm not sure what part of the world counts as ending on Sunday, so I don't want you to miss out. But definitely they were kind enough to run it for the whole 5 days, which is so great, but try to get it done on the Saturday at the latest. Sunday morning, give it a shot. So that is super excited. Just want to pop over and give you that news, give you some ideas for shopping, and give you the link. So that's all in the description box below. Just click show more or the little arrow down, and there'll be all of those links to all the yarns. Pop over and check out the colors. You will freak out. Shipping, do you want to talk about shipping? Yes. So when I'm shopping for my ice yarns, I just average, I put $1 on every 100-gram ball or 50 cents on every 50-gram ball. And that's US dollars. That's just how I keep track of it in my head. So if a ball is $2.25, I'll say it's $3.25 delivered to my door. So that way shipping doesn't surprise me. So a pack would probably cost me about $4. If you are only ordering one pack, it'll be about twice that much, because you know it is still a human being coming and picking up the one pack of yarn, putting it in their vehicle, scanning it, and like putting it on transportation, and more humans touching it to bring it to your door. So yes, for $8, it does like a human does have to work. Do you know what I mean? So just calculate $1 and order more than one pack, and that's how much it is. So $1 per 100 grams or $4 a pack to bring it to your door. I mean, would you bring yarn to me for $4? No, you wouldn't. Right? You'd be like, keep your $4. You know how much work that is? It's a lot of work. So that's how I factored into my head. Don't be scared of the shipping, but I will get into more of that when my order comes, because I have a whole breakdown done for that. I hope you enjoy shopping at Ice Yarns, and thanks so much for helping us celebrate over at the Secret Yarnery. I'll be seeing you on Friday. I hope kids have a bunch of plans. Church is out this weekend, but I will definitely be popping in on Friday to give a big hello. So have a super great couple days, and we'll see you very soon. Stay hooked.